Guys, how you doing? It's Steve here from Steve's RC Shop and RC Winches in Leicester. Okay, I've got my watch here with the stopwatch on, and a few people have asked me, look, I want a really fast winch, something that's strong, it's powerful, got some really strong winch line on it. So I've just done this for a customer. It saves me doing another direct video, but you'll kind of get the picture. Now in the background, you might be able to see, I've got my power supply set here at 11.5, which is just over the voltage of a 3S battery. However, if you want to plug a 4S or a 5S, 6, 7, 8, whatever like that, it's not a problem. So we're going to crank the voltage up just to show that there's no smoke or anything coming out. To be fair though, we're going to just drop it back down again to, there we say, 11.4. Oh, yeah, that will do. So there's 11.2, just a tad over a 3S battery. So this particular winch here, this is the Stealth. We completely strip these. We put heavy duty motoring gearboxes in them. The motoring gearboxes will take up to 12 volts continuous power. It will pull on a deadlift 5 kilos without any problems whatsoever. On a rolling drag, 8.3, 8.5 kilos, so plenty of pulling power. Really well made. You've got a reversible and sliding foot plate. And all the winches we do, the controllers are 100% waterproof, and they always have coloured coded cable markers on as well, so you'll get instructions. So it'll say yellow number 4 needs to go to, say, power in, green number 5 to green number 5, that's the output. And if there's any more cables or anything like that at all, it'll be marked up again with a full set of instructions, 7 days a week technical support, and 2 years warranty. So we've got these on one of our 121S a 121S controller that'll work on 2S, 3S, 4S upwards. And on this particular winch now, we've got 3 meters of line, which is what the customers asked for. You don't have to have 3 meters, you can have 1 meter, 2 meters, 3, 4, 5, whatever, and they're in different colors. So, just going to get my stopwatch here. Let me just make sure it's working right. Yep, okay, just reset that. Here's the boring part. Okay, so this winch now is going to wind 3 meters of line on here. It's fair to say the winch is not under load, but even under load you've got a good speed on it. Certainly more than what you'd have if you were running, say, just a normal 7.2 or 7.4 NIMI battery, or even on the 2S LiPo. If the winch receiver is plugged into your normal receiver, you'll be getting a very low voltage, maybe 5 or 6 volts. You can crank them up more depending on what you've got, but you don't get very many amps, so you've got to have a really good supply of power there as well. We can sort that out if you need it. So without me babbling on, because I've gone on for too long already, so we will winch in now, and we'll just go here. I think it works out about 48 seconds. So is that in? Yep, and yep. Okay, so we're on 2 seconds, 3 seconds. So I'm just going to pop that down there, and I'm just going to guide the line in so it just doesn't bunch up all one side. See how professional this video is. Really disorganised. I should have had the radio turned down in the background really, but I'm hoping that you can hear the speed of the motor. Maybe I can actually just get that up there. I can make these go faster. This is only running at the moment around 8.5 volts into the motors, so we can increase that to make it go faster. And here we are with the hook. We are looking at 48 seconds to wind in 3 meters of line. So I'm not going to carry on yabbing like I do on some of my other videos, because I run out of things to say and you guys find it pretty boring or amusing, whatever. So that's it guys, Stealth winch available with whatever line you need in whatever colour. When we rebuild them, yeah, they've all got all stainless steel bolts in on a marine grade, so good quality bolts. different choice of hooks. So that's about it really, and it doesn't have to be with one of our controllers, but the thing to remember is, and you might have seen this with some of the other videos I've done, is a winch will only be as good as the controller it's plugged into. Yeah, we do 9 different winch controllers. I really do wish there was just one, but there isn't. I mean, there's a lot more than 9, but I've narrowed it down to 9, and most of the ones that we use now, well, all of the ones we use now, we don't get any problems or issues with, and that's it really. That's all I'm going to say. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you need any information, you can contact me through Facebook. Tag me into something on Facebook. You can see my RC winches on Facebook, Steve's RC shop on Facebook. Email me directly, information is down below, or give me a call. So that's it, no more babbling. Hope you've enjoyed it. Have a good day, guys.